How to pin a WhatsApp chat on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be brought to the chats page. Here, you can view all your chats with friends on WhatsApp. On this page, go over to the chat and swipe right. Over here, tap on Pin as shown. As you can see, you have now successfully pinned this chat. This chat will now appear at the top of this page. You can repeat the same step to pin and unpin the other chats as well. Doing this, you can keep important text messages or other content handy and get access to them with ease, whenever necessary. This way, you can enhance your experience with the app. Following these steps, you can easily pin a WhatsApp chat on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.